welcome to my YouTube channel if you are new. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, like and share. On the comment section, you can tell me if you have any question, if you have any compliment, if you want me to touch in any area on oral hygiene, please, you are welcome. Today's video, I want to give you tips to take care of your toothbrush, because toothbrush is the brush which you will use to remove all the bacteria from your teeth and have a healthy mouth and a healthy body. Tip number one, please, when it comes to storage, do not store your toothbrush facing downward. Always store it in an upright position so that it can dry and aerate to prevent any bacteria build up on the bristles. Rinse your toothbrush before and after brushing with warm water. This one will help eliminate any bacteria on your toothbrush. Number 3, make sure you change your toothbrush when you recover from common cold, throat infections, oral infections. Please make sure you change your toothbrush. Make sure you change your toothbrush when the bristles are bent. Remember, when your bristles are bent, you won't be able to reach all the areas and to brush your teeth well. So change it when you notice the bristles are bent. Number 5, make sure you change your toothbrush 2 to 3 months. This is because you will notice these bristles coming out when you have used your toothbrush for a long time. It will be nice when you buy a new one. Number 6, make sure you change your toothbrush once you have traveled, because when you travel, remember, you always cover your toothbrush. This will make bacteria to grow on the bristles because of that dampness. So when you come back, you can change, and if you cannot change your toothbrush, you can always use hydrogen peroxide, antimicrobial mouthwash to disinfect it. This can help also to kill the bacteria. Number 7, make sure you change your toothbrush when someone has used it. Okay, there are some people, when you notice someone has used your toothbrush, it's good to change it to prevent those bacteria transfer from the other person to your mouth. That will be more hygienic. And number 8, make sure when you go to store your toothbrush, and in your household you are 3 to 4 people, or maybe even 2 people, make sure the brushes do not touch each other. You might opt to keep them facing different directions to prevent that those toothbrushes touching each other. This one will prevent also bacteria transferring from one person to the other. Then we come to the issue of why we brush our teeth. Number 1, we brush our teeth to prevent gum diseases. When you brush your teeth, remember, you will prevent gum diseases from getting to attack your teeth, because when you have gum diseases, it can progress to periodontitis and you end up losing your teeth. So brushing prevents gum diseases. Number 2, it also prevents losing your teeth, that is, from getting those infections. And number 3, it will make you, when you brush your teeth, you will be kissable. Maybe your partner won't have problems, maybe I say he or she may not tell you, but You will not be comfortable to kiss a person who has bad breath. So brushing it gives you a fresh breath. The other point is brushing also will keep your overall body health maintained. This is because when you have gum diseases, they can get into your bloodstream and cause other body diseases like diabetes, like heart diseases. So it's very important to keep your overall oral health maintained well, and it will reflect on your overall body. The other thing is that remember when you lose teeth, you will have low self-esteem, you won't be able to chew food, maybe you won't be able to eat even a balanced diet. So it's very important to brush so that you will keep your teeth. Then we come to the issue of how now to brush. You have maintained your toothbrush well. What's the right methods to brush your teeth?
Take 2 minutes to brush your teeth
Of brushing
effectively
teeth, and I
and
want to
get
give
these
you the
methods of
simplest
doing the same.
methods of brushing your teeth. When it comes to brushing your teeth, make sure you start from the last tooth here. You start from here. Now the method number one, you can wiggle gently. You start from there and you angle your toothbrush at an angle of 45 degrees towards the gums so that it will brush any food, debris or any plugs around your teeth and gums. You angle it like this. Then you wiggle gently coming then to the last tooth here. Many people will come and don't come to this area. Maybe they forget or they maybe don't care. They think maybe this area is not theirs. So they will always come from here. So that's why I emphasize it's important to come from here so that the last tooth won't get cavities. Then after that we come to the chewing surfaces, and before that please never do backward and forward movement or use force when brushing on the outer side. This is because you can cut your gums and make the gums to recede, then you start getting cavities and even gum diseases. So please you wiggle gently. Then on the looser surfaces now you can use the forward and backward movement like that. Then you come to the inner side, you still use the same method, okay? You still use the same method, wiggle gently. Then on the lingual side, many people forget, then they get plug and calculus build up around these anterior teeth. Many people end up losing their teeth. So please don't forget this area. Also, you want your brush like this, and you brush off any plug build up. Then I come to the other method, which you use circular motion. And still you start from the last tooth here, then you brush at least 2 teeth at a time. Yeah, you do like that, brushing off any calculus or plug build up. Still angling your brush at an angle of 45 degrees, you wiggle gently like that. And to the last tooth again. Then on the chewing surfaces or the glucose surfaces, don't forget, like that. And on the lingual surface also, don't forget. The other thing to brush is the tongue. The tongue, this is where all the bacterium buildup rests. At the back of your tongue, that's where bad breath comes from because of all those bacteria there. So please make sure you brush your tongue. Don't mind about I will vomit or what. brush your tongue, you can use a tongue scrubber, or there are some toothbrushes which are modified such that you can use it to brush your tongue, or you can use your toothbrush to brush your tongue. And another thing, please don't use a toothbrush which has very hard bristles. This one can destroy your enamel and also can injure your gums. Use at least soft bristled or medium toothbrush so that you will maintain your teeth and also keep your gum well healthy. Then another thing is flossing. You can floss then brush. There are some people who don't mind about flossing and they end up getting cavities in between their teeth. You will notice black in between the teeth, and if you don't go for the filling, you will end up getting very large cavities and eventually lose your teeth due to that decay. So please, it's very important to go for filling. Another thing, if you realize you have those capillaries built up around your teeth here, and you are brushing and they are not coming out, please go to the dental clinic so that your teeth can be professionally cleaned to remove all that plaque built up around your teeth and even around your gums, so that you will have a good healthy teeth and even healthy gums. Don't wait until it's too late that you lose your gums and you lose your bone. That one will be late and you will end up losing your teeth, end up having low self-esteem. You are not even able to pronounce some words well. If you are maybe you are a teacher, students start laughing at you because of that. So please avoid all that and go for treatment, and it will save your money and even save your teeth. Another thing for the people who have bad breath, please don't stay at home using mouthwash, saying that this mouthwash will help me have a fresh breath. Please don't, because when you use that, many mouthwashes contain alcohol, which can interfere with the pH of the mouth, make you to have a dry mouth. And when you have a dry mouth, remember you won't have saliva to hydrate your gums and even to cleanse your teeth from the dental plaque. So please, don't stay at home to use mouthwash saying that it will help you have a fresh breath. You will now find problems because you will have a very bad breath after getting that condition of that dry mouth. So please go to the dental clinic, because bad breath can have many causes, including sinus infection, throat infection, gum diseases, as gut reflux, liver, kidney diseases. There are so many causes, tonsillitis. So please, it's very important to go. If it's due to oral causes, that bad breath can be fixed through teeth cleaning, and then you can be advised on a good mouthwash that you use and treat those gum inflammations, maybe after the teeth cleaning and after removal of all those calculus and plaque build up. You regain a fresh breath, and your friends won't be running away when you speak to them, okay? And even maybe your partner will be comfortable in all that. Thank you for watching. Kindly don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and always remember that oral health, which is well maintained, it will reflect on overall body health. Together for healthy mouth, healthy body.